Hey everybody, Neil here. I'm changing out the rear windshield wiper motor on a 2013 Grand Cherokee. It's actually not as difficult as you might think. Not that you're seeing anything there. Let's see what I can do here. So on the inside of your hatch is this plastic cover, and it just separates out. And then there's the electric motor, and the gears are in here. So mine all of a sudden stopped. All you have to do is take out this nut, and I'm in the reassembly phase here. Sorry about the jumping around. So you take these two nuts off, and this screw and this screw. These screws are into the rear of the cover, and these nuts are onto this post that's attached to the windshield. That's all that holds the inside, and then the wire just pops right out. On the outside, you're going to have the wiper blade. So you're going to take the cover off of that. Sorry, this is a real crappy videoing. Alright, here we go. So on the outside you're going to have the wiper blade, and then there's the cover here. That cover just pops right off, and then there's the nut. So you're going to take this nut off. You kind of have to wiggle to get the blade off, the arm off, and then underneath is going to be this gasket, and you're going to pull that off. And then there's this nut. So you're probably going to have to put some WD-40 on this nut, unscrew it, and then it took a little wiggling for me to do this. Do the inside part first, that way you can grab the motor. And one, you can hold the motor when you're trying to loosen this nut so you don't damage the glass. But two, then when you're trying to get that washer off, because you see around the edge of mine here, the rust, and you have to reuse this nut. And so it took a little wiggling to get this nut off, and then carefully pry the plastic off. There's a gasket underneath, you leave that in. Clean it all up. Then slide the new one back in, hook up these, tighten these two up, screw these two into the plastic, pop the cover on, and then reassemble on the outside. It's not too hard to do. The worst part is taking that nut off on the outside because you're scared of breaking the glass. Hope this helps you out. Y'all have a great day.